Pranam, my name is Nilesh Sinha and welcome to my channel Pilgrimage Varanasi. Today we will be talking about Hinduism, its aspect and what all we know in Hinduism, or we can say how authentic it is as far as our knowledge is concerned. The only script of Hinduism is Vedas, and the Vedas are in 4 parts. Number 1 Rig Ved, number 2 Yajur Ved, number 3 Sam Ved, and number 4 is Atharva Ved. The philosophy of Veda is called Upanishad, and there are 108 Upanishads. And the part of Vedas are called Vedangas, and it has 6 parts. Number 1 education, number 2 kalpa, number 3 grammar, number 4 astrology, number 5 verses, and number 6 is nirukta. Smritis of Manu, Adi, Ramayana and Mahabharata. The essence of Vedas Upanishad, or we can say we can squeeze all of them into Gita. Therefore, the Gita is kept into the Dharma Grantha. And we all know that Gita is the part of Mahabharata. According to Vedas, there is only one God and he is called Brahma. He alone is called Parameshwara, Paramatma, Supreme Father, Param Brahma. He is formless, unborn, unmanifest, avyakt, adi and infinite. All the deities, ancestors, sadhu, sages, sannyasis, Bhagwan, they all pray and meditate to Param Brahma or Almighty. According to scholars, Hinduism is continuously in practice from last 90,000 years, or we can say it has an existence of more than 90,000 years. During this period, name has changed, form has changed, tradition has changed, but knowledge did not change. God did not change, neither the pilgrimage. We do have evidence of that. The people of Indus Valley civilization were Hindus. Sandhya Vandana or meditation has great aspect in Hindu religion. Some people perform puja, arti, bhajan, kirtan, prayer, yajna and meditation at the time of Sandhya Vandana. But Sandhya Vandana is different from all these. Sandhya Vandana is of 8 prahars, in which 2 prahars are for all the time of sunrise and sunset. In the temple of solitude, by doing defections, achman, pranayam, etc., Sandhya Vandana is done with Gayatri verses. Hinduism is a way of life. By following yoga, Ayurveda and fasting, you can live a healthy life. It contains important information regarding food, water, sleep, meditation, karma, mind, intellect and thought, which is even believed by science today. According to the Vedas, there are 5 types of yajna. Number 1 Brahma yajna, number 2 Deva yajna, number 3 Pitru yajna, number 4 Vaishwadeva yajna, number 5 Atithi yajna. Now what is Brahma yajna? Brahma yajna means evening worship, self-study and recitation of Vedas. Number 2, what is Deva Yajna? Deva Yajna means doing satsang and Agnihotra deeds. What is Pitru Yajna means? Pitru Yajna means performing Shraddh rituals with reverence for ancestors, teachers and parents. Number 4. Vaishvadev Yajna means giving food and water to fire, animal and birds. Number 5. Atithi Yajna. Atithi Yajna means to serve the handicapped, women, students, sannyasis or sages, doctors and religion protectors. There are 10 duties and deeds of Hindus. Number 1. Sandhya Upasana. Number 2. Pilgrimage. Number 3. Recitation of Vedas. Number 4. Charity. Number 5. Perform Yajna. Number 6. Go for fasting. Number 7. Sanskara. Number 8. Celebrate festivals. Number 5. Service means do seva. And number 10 is perform Shraddha. Apart from this, there are 4 Purushartha. Number 1. Dharma. Number 2. Artha. Number 3. Kama. And number 4. Moksha. And it is based on 4 ashramas. Number 1. Brahmacharya. Number 2. Grastha. Number 3. Sannyas. And number 4. Vanprastha. According to our religion, the goal of life is moksha or salvation. And here, the moksha means attainment of knowledge, attainment of self-realization state, or bringing oneself to a state where being born and dying is according to your own desire, and it is beyond birth and death. Our religion believes that the creation has not happened in 6 days or by anyone. It has taken billions of years for this. We believe that God or soul, Atma, was the first. From him there came the Mahat, Mahat from darkness, darkness from sky, air from sky, fire from air, water from fire, and earth, and all other planets. Earth, water, air, fire, space, mind, intellect, and ego are 8 elements of nature. Hinduism was earlier prevalent all over the earth. Earlier, there were 7 islands of the earth: Jambu, Palaksha, Shalmali, Kush, Kroncha, Shaka and Pushkar. Out of this, Jambu Dweep or island is situated in the middle of all. King Paryavarta was the king of the whole earth, and Agnindhara was the king of Jambu Dweep. There are 9 divisions in Jambu Dweep. First, Ilavrit. Second, Bhadraswa. Third, Kimpurupa. Fourth, Bharat. Fifth, Hari. Sixth, Ketumal. 7, Ramvaka. 8, Kuru. And 9th, Hiranyamaya. Out of these 9, Bharatkhanda was called Bharatvarsha. There are 9 divisions of Bharatvarsha. Number 1, Indradweep. Number 2, Kaseru. Number 3, Tamrapana. Number 4, Gamastimani. Number 5, Nagdweep. Number 6, Somya. Number 7, Gandharva. Number 8, Varuna. Number 9 was surrounded by the sea and it was an island. The history of India should not be understood with the history of Hindu religion. Hindu religion was much bigger and much wider and much deeper than that. This was a knowledge which I shared with you regarding Hindu religion. Probably this was a small effort from my side. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, share this video and also hit the like button. See you soon. Thank you very much. Thank you.